tree I love best. It knows I've come out to play, standing tall with health and beauty, rooted and reaching high. The sweet red fruits, they shine like jewels, one branch on either side. Lovely tree, through your green leaves I see the full moon. Its light descends, filling my head, my heart's chalice, my womb. Soon I hear music to my ears, water flowing from the base. Receive, allow, I am healing now in purity and grace. This awakening, we let it ring all across the lands, flows through our hands and through our breath and eyes. The women rise to shine our gifts, the goddess lifts each one of us up to embody her power of love. Maiden, mother, enchantress, and the wise woman sage. Maiden, mother, enchantress, and the wise woman sage. God is all you live in me. A sanctuary at the sacred tree, shelter me. Entering inside in the stained glass light, from your sacred waters I drink. The world, it makes space for our cyclical feminine ways, joining our hands, love and life to you, my friends. The world, it makes space for our cyclical feminine ways, joining our hands, love and life to you, my friend.